Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Happy New Year 2022. How mad is that? 2022 is actually scary sometimes when you think about time and event. Do you ever look at a calendar or see a photo and think, oh, it can't have been that long ago, and you're like, whoa, 4 years ago, 5 years ago. Time is a crazy thing. And starting off with the video, we should always, remember and take a moment to think of, or those that didn't make it to 2022, which is crazy to actually think. Then it's sad actually that there's lots of people that aren't seeing 2022, and when they began 2021 they may have not realized that. So yeah, I just thought I'd take a moment of reflection. You can as well, different people, and yeah, so it's a crazy one. Now on to 2022. I would like to wish you watching this, it's funny actually, I don't see the viewer, I don't see who's watching this, but you see me, and well, we're sort of connecting on here. YouTube is a funny thing. I wish you and I wish your family a happy, healthy new year. Such a key thing, healthy new year. Crazy time, so that's the key thing. A healthy new year first, and then wealth. Of course, I wish lots of wealth and happiness and prosperity and things like that. The very first thing is health, number one. None of them other things matter. Health is key. And yeah, definitely this year more than ever, all I can say is just look after yourself as best as possible. Most of us nowadays, with the internet, with everything, we know what's healthy and we know what's unhealthy. So try and follow the most healthiest diet as possible, exercise, fitness. And the next thing is look after each other, care for each other, and don't just give gifts on one day of the year. It can be in different ways. Whatever you see as a gift or whatever someone else sees as a gift, give those gifts. Tell people that you care about them. Show people that you care about them. Do things for people, and go out of your way and say, oh, guess what? I'll do this for you today, or I'll do it today. You could do some shopping for them, or you could clean more, or you could help them out. Do more for people. I'm probably making no sense here, but try and do more for people. Now, in terms of business and earning and money and those things, try and be a better saver this year. Try and start the year where you aren't going to get in any debts, or you're not going to take out any loans, or you're not going to have massive credit card bills. Try and budget and save your money as best possible. And another thing is, if you have a passion, definitely start that side hustle more than ever now. Start the side hustle. If it's a t-shirt business, or maybe you like DIY, crafting, making things, you can do that on Etsy.com, and there's so many websites out there. Maybe you've got a skill where you can sell on Fiverr and Upwork. Whatever you've been thinking of, start it right now. Right after watching this video, start a Fiverr account, start an Etsy store, Amazon, eBay, whatever it is. Start doing it. Start selling your items. Start offering the products, services, whatever you want to do. Definitely do it this year. We always say we're going to do it next year, but let's do it right now, because if you don't do it right now, you probably won't start it. That's true. Even for a lot of things, we think about something, but you've got to start it, and then you start doing it. Sometimes if you don't start a certain side hustle or something 4 or 5 months down the line, why did I never do that? Oh, I was going to do that, but I never did it. You don't want to have any regrets. So yeah, health, business, all of those things, make this year a great year for you and your family. And another key thing is, don't overwork yourself. Make time to rest, make time to relax. If you can go on holiday or vacation, make sure you actually do that. And yeah, that's what I'd love to do. That's what I want to try and do more. Travel is so important. I want to go to more countries. I want to go to more cities. I want to travel more, see the world, explore the world, the nature, the beauty, and then even different, cultures, different ways of life, meeting different people, connecting with different people. Definitely want to do more of that this year. So yes, hopefully this video was useful and helpful. And if you've got any wisdom or any motivation or any inspiration, please share it down there in the comments below. It's crazy how powerful things could be. Someone could read your comment and be motivated. Someone could read your comment and go, you know what, I can do this, I've got this. So let's use the internet in a powerful way and a positive way. And as always, thank you so much for watching this channel. Thank you so much for liking and commenting. Thank you for everything you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you in the next video.